Ouch. Seriously, folks, I think that may have been the actual first time in all my years of having this hand car that I felt like I was entering the train station. I was making my grand entrance. This version of the train track is so much smoother than the other. The switch is not as sharp. The points are the one point, so, like, it's so fun, it's so well put together, I think, that even though all these points are missing, it still goes through straight pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with this setup. This rail bike's having some issues because the axle's bent and it's knocked to the side somehow or another, but it still functions enough to do this. Beep. But the couplers are at different heights. Ouch. Need some, I don't have the flange welds quite as perfect as they ought to be. Dude, this is actually pretty awesome, you know? It's like living the dream. No! Pick the frog. Yeah, that frog. I think it's just the, let's look at it. Let's look at this. Because it's done this before, enough for me to be able to tell that it's getting ready to happen. I think it's just, I can't tell how much of it is the frog at a bad angle, the rail leading into it. It may be that this pushes the rail, this pushes the wheel as it's going through. I think that might be where I'm going wrong. Let's see. Let's study this. That time did it good. So, okay, it's not that. Maybe it's just, yeah, that seems more likely. The wheel these wheels don't have much, if any, taper. So they don't really center themselves. And if they don't center themselves, they'll just kind of drift until they hit something. And in this case, it tends to drift this way and rub up against this rail, and as soon as there's a gap in the rail, it wants to keep going that way. So by the time it gets to the point of the frog, it's already, about a quarter of an inch to half an inch that way further than it ought to be. So one might say, oh, put a guardrail, but the issue is the flanges on this are real thin, the flanges on everything else are big. Not everything else, the flanges on that stuff is big. So the guardrail would have to be thin enough. So really the answer is maybe scoot the frog. I don't know. Have to figure that one out. But given how much stuff goes into this, that's the only issue. I think I'm doing pretty good.